Hello everyone, welcome back to TechChamps channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use screen magnification on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancement. Now scroll down and select magnifications. Turn on the magnifications toggle. Next, choose how you want to activate magnification. You can use the accessibility button, press the side button and volume up button, or choose another shortcut available on your phone. Once you have selected a shortcut, you are ready to use magnification. To activate it, use the shortcut you selected. A magnified window will appear on your screen. You can move the magnified area around the screen by dragging it. You can also use two fingers to zoom in or zoom out. This makes it easier to read small text or see details on your screen. And when you're finished, simply use the same shortcut again to turn magnification off. And that's it. That's how you can use screen magnification on your Android phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechChamps for more helpful Android tips and tutorials. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.